Okay, hello, Artist Tech here. So today we're unboxing this AirPort Express. Let's get to it.
Okay.
It's recording?
Yes, it is.
My first time opening, this is probably my second time actually, opening a brand new Apple product. Whoa. This is brand new. I got it for $40. They're going for like $180 online. I'll price this one at $150 because. Oh, brand new. Wait, we need to open this. Look at this, guides. Sticker. Thing. Sticker. A piece of sticker tape. Okay, getting this piece of sticker tape or whatever you want to call it off. This is the user guide and configuration. AirPort Express setup guide, AirPort Express regulatory warranty, and AirPort Express iTunes. So it's a setup guide. Okay, yeah. Good. That looks pretty nice, manual. So, this is a moment of truth. Brand new. That's like scratchless. Oh, there's one tiny scratch on it. And something different, but on that, it's beautiful. It's a beaut.
Elliot,
What?
so what do you do with AirPorts on Apple AirPorts?
Well, apparently, this is like a wireless router. Oh, which is pretty cool. So it's basically a wireless router. What's that? Is that a little button? No. Button. I don't know. Okay. So basically, it's a little wireless router that can do more than a normal wireless router stuff.
Okay.
So yeah, that's almost it. Is there anything in here? Doesn't look like it. Maybe, I don't know. Let's check. Yes. Probably not actually. There's nothing under there. Okay, so this is an AirPort Express. Brand new.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Bye.